Tired of switching lenses every time you want a new shot? Bridge cameras are your answer. In today's video, we're diving into the best affordable bridge cameras of 2026 that give you the perfect zoom, ease of use, and crisp shots without breaking the bank. Let's jump into it. Starting off with the Nikon Coolpix P1-100. This one is an absolute beast when it comes to zoom. You get a whopping 125 times optical zoom. Imagine getting close-up shots of wildlife or stunning landscapes without ever moving. It's a 16 megapixel sensor with 4K video capabilities, making it super versatile for photos and videos. And with the built-in Wi-Fi, you can share your shots on the go. But keep in mind, it's a little bulky, so it might not be the most travel-friendly. But don't worry, wait till you see what's coming up next for more compact options. Check out the Nikon Coolpix P1-100 on Amazon for the latest price. Link to Amazon. Next up, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D. This one strikes the perfect balance between size and performance. You get a 60x optical zoom, which is more than enough for most situations, plus a 4K video option. The 18.1 megapixel sensor delivers pretty sharp photos, even at max zoom, and the built-in image stabilization helps keep things smooth. It's also lightweight, so you won't feel like you're carrying a brick. It's not as feature-packed as the P1-1100, but it's a solid option for someone looking for that budget-friendly, all-in-one camera for everyday shooting. Check out the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D on Amazon for the latest price. Now let's talk about the Kodak Pixpro AZ528. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a massive zoom range, this camera is a great pick. You're getting a 52 times optical zoom, a 16 megapixel sensor, and the bonus of 1080 PHD video. The interface is simple, making it perfect for beginners, and the ergonomic design feels comfy for long shoots. The downside? The image quality can sometimes suffer in low light conditions, but for the price, it's still a solid choice. And speaking of budget-friendly, wait until you see our next pick. You'll be impressed with the performance for such a small price tag. Check out the Kodak Pixpro AZ528 on Amazon for the latest price. Link to Amazon. Moving on to the Canon PowerShot SX70HS. Now, if you're a Canon fan, you'll love this one. You get a 65x optical zoom, a 20.3 megapixel sensor, and excellent image stabilization, which makes it super versatile. The 4K video recording is a great feature too. This camera feels very professional, but it's still compact enough to be carried around without a hassle. The only small catch? It's not the fastest in terms of autofocus, but the zoom quality and video features make it a great choice for the price. Stick around for the next one because we've got another great option for a lower price point. Check out the Canon PowerShot SX70HS on Amazon for the latest price. Last but definitely not least, we have the Kodak Pixpro AZ405. This one is perfect if you're looking for a super affordable, no-frills camera. You get a 40 times optical zoom with a 20 megapixel sensor, which is awesome for the price. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles like 4K video or advanced image stabilization, it gets the job done for everyday photography. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so it's a great option for travel. So if you're tight on budget and still want a decent bridge camera, this is the one you should consider. Check out the Kodak Pixpro AZ405 on Amazon for the latest price. All of these cameras are linked down below in the description. Go check them out and see the latest prices on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a bridge camera on this list for you. And remember, it's not about spending the most. It's about getting the most value for your budget. See you in the next one.